If you feel like you're not getting through, spend some one-on-one time with them first. Here's a real example from my life. And this is stuff that I already know and I preach it all the time, but I also forget. The other night, Valerie left with Brian, our youngest son, to go to southern Utah. And there's Katie and I all on our own. So we went to the grocery store to buy some food for dinner, and it was just her and I in the car. And there was no agenda, there was nothing going on, we were just together. After we'd been together for some time, she just starts talking to me about things that were on her mind, and it kind of surprised me because this was out of the blue. She started talking about boys and school and college. And I remember while we were standing in the line at the grocery store, she just lays her head on my shoulder and she started being just kind of physically affectionate. She just wanted to hang out with me for the rest of the night. This all really surprised me, and we did. We just ended up hanging out that evening. We had some really neat talks, and she was definitely listening to me. Now, it was just a little thing. It wasn't a major event, but just that little